हाय गाइस, आज हम बनाने वाले हैं ग्लोकोमोली और हम टोस्ट में लगाएंगे उसको ब्रेड के। तो इसके लिए एवोकाडो लिया है मैंने, एक एवोकाडो, थोड़ा सॉफ्ट एवोकाडो और राइप एवोकाडो लिया है। उसके साथ अनियंस को चॉप कर लिया है, टमाटर, सॉल्ट और नींबू। नींबू का रस हम थोड़ा कम डालेंगे क्योंकि हम ये बना रहे हैं बच्चे के लिए, तो इसमें थोड़ी वेरिएशन होगी। ये ट्रेडिशनल रेसिपी नहीं है। वी आर गोइंग टू ऑल्टर इट अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर टेस्ट दैट आर किड लाइक। ओके, ओके। सो ये एवोकाडो है, हम इसको अच्छे से मैश करेंगे। वील मैश इट रियली नाइस, अदरवाइज इट विल have bigger pieces and the kids will not like it. So with the help of this potato masher we are going to mash it so that we get a cream like consistency, more like of butter. So I am not having butter for the toast, but I will be using desi ghee for it. As I told you, this recipe will have lots of variation according to the taste of the kid. So do tell me what your kids like if they are using bread. आपको पता होगा कि जब इंडिगो की फ़्लाइट होती है तो उसमें दे सर्व यू स्पिनच एंड कॉर्न sandwiches. So that is also very nice. We'll be doing that in the next video that I'll be posting. So as you can see, we are mashing it really nice so that you don't have any lumps. Okay, so now we will take it in a container. थोड़ा पीछे से दिखाओ. Actually this is my 8-year-old boy who is filming it. So ये प्रोफेशनल क्वालिटी आप एक्सपेक्ट मत कीजिए because he is more interested in the filming part. So he insisted that he will do the filming part. So I agreed on that. At least it's better than wasting time in seeing mobile. Okay, so ये हो गया हमारा avocado that is mashed. Now we'll add little bit of onions to it. After onion, tomato, you can nicely chop that. After that salt. Okay, आप अपने हिसाब से सॉल्ट ऐड कर सकते हो. आप इस स्टेप पे भी आप टोस्ट कर सकते हो एवोकाडो का, बट वील बी एडिंग लिटिल बिट ऑफ लेमन. We also are going to making this recipe for the first time. We don't know how the outcome will be. Let's see if the child likes it or not. Little bit of lemon I am adding to it. Let's keep our fingers crossed. Okay, so this is it. You can also add little bit of red pepper. I am adding just a bit of it. Okay. Now गैस ऑन कीजिए. I am taking 2 brown bread. For this you need sour bread, but we'll go with our brown breads because that is all I have. And 2 more ingredients I am going to add, जिससे इसका टेस्ट थोड़ा बढ़ जाएगा. That is, one is sandwich spread I am going to add, and the second thing is tomato ketchup. And if you have cheese, you can add that also. I don't have cheese, so I won't be adding it. Okay, let's see. First nicely toast it. Hilao. Okay, one side of bread we'll take. We'll add our guacamole. If you want, you can add little bit of onions also from. Okay. Now after that, I will be adding little bit of tomato ketchup. This is the Indian version, Indian guacamole version. Okay. And after that, one thing more that is going to go is sandwich spread. This is basically just cucumber and tomato spread with mayo. I am adding this a little bit only because I don't know how this will come out. Okay. So I am also going to add tomatoes because this is what is left of it. I'll utilize everything. Okay. Just flip it. Okay, now we are going to flip it in 3, 2, 1. Nice and brown. If you add cheese, it will be even more delicious. You can also give it in tiffin. So we are trying it for tiffin recipes only. What all the child can take to tiffin, and he will like it. Okay. Pause. So now we are going to cut it into 2 pieces. You can serve it like this also, or you can also give it with sauce or green